guys, welcome to the life of a stuffy queen. This is my first video in the kitchen, and I'll be making a smoothie, my very own recipe.
First ingredients, I have some milk, 3 berry plums, some frozen strawberries, lime juice, and French vanilla coffee peanut. I don't drink coffee, but this is really good for flavor. We're going to need sugar.
And then I have it to frozen desserts. So what we're going to start out with is the milk. I don't have a specific measuring cup, but for 2 people, I normally go to the 2 cup. So I'm just gonna do that. There we go. And what we're going to be doing is lime, these, and then the coffee creamer. Again, I don't drink coffee, but I like it, the flavor. And I'm kind of just doing a little drip. Don't measure that one. Don't let it go bad, so I put that one in the fridge. And then for sugar, I'm just doing 2 tablespoons. You could do less or more, but I do 2 tablespoons. Then strawberries. Normally I do like 3 to 4, maybe even 5 strawberries sometimes. Then with our 3-berry blend, frozen, I got our 1 cup. You guys won't get to hear this. You'll just be hearing music. And before I do it, I always like to just kind of crush it up in there to make sure that it gets flowing. So it's not mixing, but I'm kind of mushing that around. So now you'll get to see me mix it. This is getting a really nice thick consistency. Smoothie, a great little snack, quick and easy.